Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play card Solitaire. The objective is to move all 52 cards from the tableau and stock to 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit and rank. To begin, deal 28 cards into 7 tableau piles. The first pile gets 1 card, the second 2, and so on, up to 7 cards for the 7th pile. Only the top card of each tableau pile is face up, the rest are face down. The remaining 24 cards form your stock pile. Now, let's talk about moving cards on the tableau. You can move individual cards or sequences of cards between the 7 tableau piles. The rule is simple. You must place a card on another card that is 1 rank higher and of an opposite color. For example, a red 5 can be placed on a black 6. This helps you uncover face-down cards and create new opportunities for moves. Always look for these alternating color sequences. Next, let's explore the stock and foundation piles. If you run out of moves on the tableau, you can draw cards from the stock pile. You can choose to draw 1 card at a time for an easier game or 3 cards at a time for a more challenging experience. The ultimate goal is to build the 4 foundation piles, 1 for each suit. Each foundation starts with an ace and builds upwards in ascending order, ending with the king of that same suit. To win Solitaire, you must successfully move all 52 cards into their respective foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. A key strategy is to always prioritize uncovering face-down cards in the tableau. This opens up more potential moves and helps you progress. Also, try to empty tableau piles when possible, as this allows you to place a king, which can then be built upon. Good luck with your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.